Picture this. You step outside, and it instantly feels like you just opened a giant 100-degree oven right in your face. Extreme heat waves aren't just uncomfortable, they're downright dangerous. But don't panic. Today, we're looking at battle-tested, science-backed tricks to help you stay cool, safe, and energized when the temperature skyrockets. Welcome back to the channel. Let's beat the heat. Master the pulse points and cool the core. First up, hack your body's internal AC. Forget just splashing water on your face. To cool down fast, target your pulse points, your wrists, the sides of your neck, behind your knees and your temples. Why? Because the blood vessels in these areas are closest to the surface of your skin. Apply an ice pack wrapped in a cloth or run cold water over your wrists for 30 seconds. It instantly cools the blood flowing back to your heart, dropping your overall body temperature in minutes. Pro tip: drench a bandana in cold water, tie it around your neck, and let evaporation do the heavy lifting while you're outdoors. The cross-ventilation secret: home cooling. No air conditioner? No problem. Most people use fans the wrong way. Instead of pointing a fan directly at yourself in a hot room, try the blowout method. Place your fan facing outward in front of an open window during the hottest part of the day. This pushes the trapped hot air out of your room. Then, open another window in a shady spot of your house to pull cool air in. You've just created a natural wind tunnel. Bonus hack: place a bowl of ice cubes directly in front of your fan. Bam! Instant DIY air conditioner. Smart hydration and spicy foods. Now, let's talk about food and drink. Drinking ice-cold water feels great, but guzzling it too fast can actually cause stomach cramps. Sip room temperature or slightly chilled water consistently throughout the day. And don't forget electrolytes. Pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, and you're good to go. Now, here's a wild one. Eat spicy food. I know it sounds crazy, but spicy foods contain capsaicin, which makes you sweat. As your sweat evaporates, it naturally cools your body down. That's why people in warm climates love hot peppers. What not to wear in sleep hacks. When it comes to clothes, ditch the tight black t-shirts. Dark colors absorb heat, while light, loose-fitting cotton or linen reflects sunlight and allows your skin to breathe. And if you're struggling to sleep in the heat, freeze your pillowcase. Pop it in a plastic bag, toss it in the freezer for 20 minutes before bed, and enjoy a crisp, icy cool night's rest. Stay safe out there. Extreme heat waves are no joke, but with these simple tricks, you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your cool all summer long. Which trick are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, share this video with someone who's melting right now, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome life hacks. Stay cool, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.